how to install and download Filto app on iPhone. Let's quickly download and install the Filter app on your iPhone. Let's go. Open the App Store on your phone and tap the search bar at the bottom right and type Filto Video and Photo Editor and hit search. Find the app with the Filter logo and tap Get. You might need to enter your Apple ID password or Face ID or Touch ID. Wait for a few minutes while it downloads. You will see the app icon appear on your home screen once it's ready. Tap Open to launch Filter for the first time. If the app asks for permission, like access to photo, media, or camera, tap Allow so you can edit video and photos seamlessly. Now you are ready. Explore filter, effects, and templates inside Filter and make your content shine. Also, you save your favorite effect to make editing faster next time. That's it. You now have Filter installed on your iPhone and ready to create amazing videos and photos. If you found this guide helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Catch you in the next one.